How's it going, folks? I'm KD9BYX, and I'm going to show you how to quickly tune a Kenwood TS-830s rig. It may be old, it may be worn, but it's still a damn fine radio. Don't worry if it's your first time with this rig. It could take a lot of punishment, and it's not as finicky as the more modern rigs out there. If you tune it up wrong, give it a few seconds and try again. And tune into a dummy load to be nice. Tuning is easy. After a while, it'll take you no more than 15-20 seconds to do so. Watch. There you have it. Just that simple. Like I said, once you get used to it, it won't take you very long at all. Now, to get it ready to tune, you want to set your mode to tune, set your meter to ALC position, your car knob to mid-range, decrease load to minimum, set plate to mid-range of what band you're trying to use, and your drive at about mid-range as well. This is a good starting point. Now, to tune, you can either use your mic or the switch on your radio right here. I'm not a big fan of that. I usually use the mic key method myself. Now, you hit the key or switch, and you adjust the drive to peak of the meter, which for me, it's about right there. You want to move the meter to IP for step 2, hit the key again. Now you want to adjust your plate knob until it drops. You want the lowest point you could get. Now we're ready for a little bit of power. Set the CW, hit the key, and peak with the load knob. You can fiddle around with it a little bit. Check plate. You might be able to squeeze out a few more watts. Not overly important. You just want to keep it about right. There you have it. You're loaded up for CW. Now to get your Morse on. For single sideband operation, just stick the mic gain at about half, maybe 3/4. You don't want to drive it too much. There you have it. You're ready to get on the air. This is KD9BYX signing off.